morning. Welcome to Adventures with Alina. Alex and I, we are on our way to Oklahoma. It is trout season. We are going there for the first time in this season, so we'll see what's out there. We are here. It took us about 1.5 hours drive, but we are finally here, and it is cold here. Only 3 trout is allowed per person. The most exciting part for me to go to Oklahoma fishing, it is nature. Nature is so beautiful here.
Cool.
Just past the dead snake. I'm afraid of snakes. I don't like them. I hope I'm not gonna see a live one. I hope they're all sleeping. It's cold for them. Oh. Hey, fish is biting, but nothing yet.
I think Alina just got one. Finally.
Yes, I did. Look, it's fighting. Oh, it's so much fun. Look at that one. Oh,
There it is. That's the first one of the season.
yay! I did it!
Good job. Yeah.
So we've been here for a few hours. We got here at around 8 o'clock, and now it's 11:20, and I got only 1 fish. That's okay though. I do enjoy being here. I'm kind of charging for future week and enjoying the weather. The weather is beautiful. When we got here, it was like 39 degrees of Fahrenheit. Right now is about 65, I would say. Right, Alex?
Yep.
About that, and it's so beautiful. It's sunny. Down of the waterfalls right there. Oh, that's just so relaxing. Enjoying beautiful weather. One fish is good. 3 would be better, but we'll see. We still have some time. It is time to go home. We got only one fish, and one fish we got from a
Friend of ours.
He's always, every season, he's always stopping by to talk to us and say hello. So he gave us one more trout. Look at this beautiful waterfalls. It is a blue river, guys. Look at this moss on the rock. It's beautiful.